with the help of the net. Del Palomata saving the day for PLDT. But ball back with the Angels. Pablo down the line, inside.
Yeah.
Center Janelle Cheng for the distribution here. Looking at the stat sheets, dalawa na yung double digits si Pablo and si Van Sickle.
Nice reverse.
No, but an even better block by PLDT. That's what they have to remember, that they are a huge... Coron again.
Yeah, that's the side.
Oh, a little too much. That was a tough one. Nakita natin, biglang bumagsak yung floater serve eh. Sabalio has good first ball. Davison going cross court. Ang lalim.
Yeah.
Did for that. Nakita din natin in reverse yun.
Attack. Woo. Oh, still alive.
Good heads up by PLDT. And Janelle Cheng weaving her magic again.
They might want to activate their middle attackers dahil nababantayan na ng Petrogas yung wing hitters ng PLDT.
Ceballos will get the ball again. And what a save by Sabete. Great defense. Oh, yun naman.
Yeah, that was smart.
Enjoying the action before he goes on board for our next game. That's between Cherry Tigo and the Curry Chargers. Uy! Nakawala kay Kat Arado.
Si Davison and si Arado. A good first ball.
Oh, off speed.
Yeah. Nakahabol si Rem Palma. Usually, papaluin mo na lang ng malakas yun. But soft hit works well.
Van Sickle going full force for that one. But it's Petrogas maintaining that 4-point lead. Inching closer to that 25-point mark. Davison again, this time picked up by Tepiatura, who has been fantastic as the other libero for Petrogas.
From Petrogas.
Good first ball by Morente. Myla Pablo did not waste that. To see if it gets it ahead of Myla Pablo, no problem. But Carado with a good first ball. Here's a chance for Petrogas. Are they going to get this third set? That's what Van Sickle wants, and that's what she gets.
Yeah, too easy na dumating sa Petrogas yung bola. So